Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is butter garlic mushroom. So let's get started. First we'll start by cleaning the mushroom. For that we'll need water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We'll stir it and then we'll add our 800 grams of mushrooms. We'll clean off the dirt from the skin. Now we'll dab it with a tissue or a neat cloth. We'll keep it aside. We'll start to slice the mushrooms. Our mushrooms are ready to be cooked. Now, to the pan, we'll add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Make sure you saute it not fully golden brown because we need the flavors of it through the entire process. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. We'll add 2 numbers of chilies. Now we'll add our main ingredient, that is the mushrooms. Add salt, half a teaspoon or according to your taste. And we'll mix it all together. Close the lid. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes from low to medium flame. We will stir it with 5 minutes of intervals. Now you can see all the liquid is coming out. To that we'll add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix it really well. Again close the lid for some time. You can see how it's been thick now. It's been now semi-liquidy. To that we'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. And we'll mix it all together. You can see now it has become semi-dry, smooth consistency. We'll garnish it with coriander leaves. And our butter garlic mushroom is now ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious, flavorful butter garlic mushroom. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on time.